In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-portfolio using Wix.com. We'll build a clean, professional portfolio using Wix Studio, starting right from your dashboard. First, open the Sites area in Wix Studio so you can manage all your projects in one place. Choose Create New Site to start fresh. When prompted, pick the Studio Template option. This gives you the advanced, flexible editor we'll use to design your portfolio with modern, responsive sections. Next, browse templates. In the search bar, type Highlight and select the Highlight Portfolio template when it appears. Click View to preview the overall look and feel. If the structure and styling fit your goals, click Edit to start customizing. Templates are a starting point, so think of them as a framework you'll personalize with your content, colors, and imagery. Inside the editor, open the highlighted toolbar to access key tools. Head into the Assets panel to organize your media, logos, headshots, project screenshots, PDFs, and any brand elements. Upload what you have now. You can always add more later. Creating simple folders like headshots, projects, and logos keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Add and tailor your content using sections. Insert a hero section, an about section, a projects or case studies section, and a contact section so visitors can get in touch. You can reorder sections by dragging them and rename them to match your voice. Open design kits to apply cohesive styles across your site. Choose a typography set and color palette that reflect your brand, and stick to them for consistency. Then, use containers to structure your content neatly. Things like cards, split layouts, or media galleries help organize text and images while keeping spacing and alignment clean. Replace placeholder content with your own. Use the highlighted controls to click into images and text. Then select Choose Media Files to upload your visuals. High-quality, optimized images, compressed for web, will load faster and look sharp. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO, and rename files clearly so they're easy to reuse. If you need visuals, you can also pull from Wix's media library. Once selected, apply or replace the image and adjust cropping so your focal point looks great on desktop and mobile. When you're happy with your layout and content, click Publish. Continue through the prompts with Save and Continue to finalize basic site details. Then choose View Site to open your live portfolio in a new tab. Do a quick pass on mobile, test links and buttons, and make small tweaks in the editor if needed. Then republish. That's it. You now have a polished e-portfolio on Wix Studio that's ready to share with clients, schools, or employers.